Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree.
All right, guys. Guess where we're at today? We're just in here, Christmas mood.
Yeah, there's a Christmas, there's a big Christmas tree in our background.
And getting into the Christmas mood a little bit. So stay with us for a little bit, and we're gonna take you around.
Yeah.
All right. So let's walk around a little bit. Today we decided to go to SM here in Clark and hang out a little bit. We wanted to go down and see if we can get us some SEA Games tickets. Sundays looks like a pretty interesting day up there in New Clark City, so we're gonna see if we can get some tickets. So we asked around a little bit, and it looks like the tickets should be available in the SM store, so we're gonna head on down there and see what we can do. There has been like a lot of confusion about the tickets. Some has told us that President Duterte declared that the ticket should be free. However, we don't know if they are free for foreigners. Some web information say that it is not free for foreigners. So we don't know. We're just gonna walk around, get in there, and see if we can get it clarified to us. All right, honey. The tickets didn't give us much today. Walking in the mall there in the store.
Yeah. Remember we asked the information desk that we can buy the ticket on the
Store, yeah, and
customer service.
yeah, and there was absolutely no information in there.
Yeah, and then there's a lot of people over there also.
Yeah. Anyway, let's walk along here, and there's a lot of Christmas displays now. So
Yeah, it's so nice.
all
There's a lot
right,
of
look
people.
at that, look at that. That is a picture from the
SEA
stadium.
Games. Yeah.
Let's take a selfie. Go in there. All right.
Selfie.
All right, guys, that was a selfie. So let's move on.
That's a quick selfie.
Yeah.
What's
What is-
that? What's that?
I don't know. Atlas meet and greet, November 30 and 7th.
Saturday? November 30 and December 7th.
Seven.
Saturday, 5 p.m.
5 p.m. You can meet and greet the athletes that are going to be here at the mall,
Yeah.
or some of them.
Yeah.
And then some other activities actually as well. So
Yeah, there's another selfie over here.
that's another selfie area.
Philippines 2019.
Yeah, that's
That's,
for
SEA
the
Games, yeah.
SEA Games. There's a lot of that stuff going on today. All right, there's another selfie station.
Yeah, go there. I will take you a picture.
All right, I'll go here. All right, snap it. All right, there you go. One more. All right, that's cool. So let's move on.
Yeah, that one is nice.
So I'm taking one of you.
Nope.
Okay,
It's only
All right.
for you.
let's go. All right. So let's move on. There is some activities here also now for the sea games in the mall.
Yeah, I saw there is a competition of Christmas Carol.
Oh yeah, but that has nothing to do with the sea games. But
Yeah, no.
hey, look at that. Coffee bean,
Yeah, this one is a
tea
coffee
and
bean.
leaf.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen that before. They must have put it up just now.
Yeah,
Oh.
check out this one.
Yeah, check out this. This is a really cool little display. Photography.
Yeah, it's
Win-
amazing.
Yeah, it's like a winter landscape.
Oh, look at the deer. Oh,
Look at the reindeer.
it's a deer.
It's not really a reindeer.
It's not deer, it's a deer.
Really, reindeer is right there.
Yeah.
Santa and the reindeer.
Riding the
Riding the reindeer. You know, the reindeers are, for those who doesn't know it, they're part of the northern part of the hemisphere around the globe. Scandinavia. We have what we call Laplanders. They actually farm and take care of the reindeers, big herds. There's a lot on the internet for that, so you can go and do some research on it if
Yeah.
you're interested.
Yeah.
But the reindeer is a winter thing. And I don't know where the myth of Santa and the reindeer comes from, but
Yeah.
we can study that later on.
Yeah.
Let's move.
Yeah.
All right, so this is a really nice little display here in the SM Mall.
Yeah.
And
I think it's only 5 minutes. You
yeah.
can stay inside the.
yeah,
the,
it's like photography
Yeah. They give you 5
a-
minutes.
areas there. So they let in like 10, 15, 20 people, give you 5 minutes, take some pictures, and then you have to move on real quick.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, guys, let's check it out upstairs.
yeah. If you go up here, you can get a pretty nice view of it.
You can see all the Christmas decor.
All right. So let's get up here and try to get it from a different angle.
Different
That-
views.
Yeah, different view. They have a lot of blue, white, blue lights. I don't
that's
see the Christmas color, which I think is red.
That's on winter Christmas.
That's a winter motive.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, maybe it is.
Winter.
But coming to this mall, you feel like you're walking into any mall in the United States. It's beautiful.
I think here in the Philippines is the most happy or the most beautiful Christmas
Right.
in the world, or I don't know.
All right. Well, you never seen a white Christmas, honey. Okay.
No. But to celebrate the Christmas is, I think, is the Philippines the most happy. What is it? Happy to celebrate the Christmas.
Yeah. That's true. All right. Let's walk over to the other side. Today it looks like it's raining out there, but I'm not sure. Let's go and check it out.
Yeah, because I thought it's raining.
Yeah, it looks like it when you look out a window, but I don't think it is. So let's go and check it out. All right, so let's look outside here.
Yeah,
There's
let's look if it's raining or no.
Yeah, I don't think it is. It does not look like it. However, there's another interesting thing outside there, and I'm not sure what they are constructing. but there is a lot of construction going on, and tried to find it out later. All right, there's my wife. She waited for me while I'm checking this out.
Yeah.
All right, so here's a little overview from the front of that display, Christmas display. It's really nice though.
Downstairs is a food court.
Oh yeah, right underneath us is the main food court, and we actually stopped by, not in the food court today. We went over to our traditional McDonald's
Yeah.
with
Yeah, we used to go to Mang Inasal, but it's so crowded.
oh yeah, we went to my inasal. She wanted inasal and unlimited rice. However, the waiting time to get a PM2 today was 45 minutes. And we are not going to wait 45 minutes for a little bit of food, that's for sure. Here, let's right away and start heading outside. Walk away a little bit and check around. The food court here is really nice though. I
Yeah.
like it.
And it's very convenient because it's nearby the parking area.
Yeah, and we come in here sometimes and drink a cup of coffee.
Yeah,
or-
before I remember before we just went to SM.
just to have coffee.
Yeah, once a week.
Oh yeah,
more than
sometimes
once a week.
more than
Yeah.
once a week. You stop by several times.
Yeah,
You know?
but now
Hasn't hasn't been lately.
yeah, it changed a lot.
All right, so we're gonna head out and starting heading our way back home. Unfortunately, we couldn't find out much about the tickets today. When we got in there, you're not allowed to turn the camera on, so we had to hold the camera back a little bit.
Yeah.
They started restricting at some of the SM malls now.
Yeah, especially on the supermarket.
Yeah, supermarket, but some of the SM malls, you know, remember when we were in San Fernando at the
Yeah,
SM?
they did also
They,
the same.
yeah, they jumped on us and
Yeah,
said,
we're not allowed to do.
turn the camera
Yeah,
off, so we turned it off. But anyway, here outside, they have made it really nice with these little food areas. Back there up to the right, there is a Tex-Mex as well. I haven't tried it out, but I will here not before long. Go and check it out and see if it's authentic Texan or what. My wife is taking off here. She has a hard time following around. Anyway, there's a lot of construction going on here, and I am not 100% sure exactly what they're building here, but I saw somewhere, oh, there's a Japanese unlimited Japanese steakhouse or whatever gonna open up. I haven't been into any of these restaurants here, but it seems like they've done a pretty good job. There's a lot of food and restaurants outside as well, and it's nice to come and sit down. You can sit down outside. I'm looking at the senior stuff. One of the images there said 70 plus you eat free if you bring 3 people. The pays full. So okay, hon, where are you? Oh, there you are. So let's move on.
Yeah, I've been looking for you. Where have you been?
I went and looked at retired seafood or retirement discounts, I guess, and looked pretty interesting. But they have a high age for that. 70 years old. you know.
Yeah, I'm just talking to myself alone. Then when I look on my right side, you're not there.
Yeah. Well, that's me. Yeah, so I don't know what's going to build here, but I heard something about they're building a big conference center. I don't know. If you know, as a subscriber, a visitor, watching this video,
Comment below.
yeah, give us a comment if you know what they're building here, because we looked around. There's no signs. There is no information about what they're building. All right, guys, that's it for today. God bless, and we see you in the next video. Bye bye.